So you have found the most perfect pizza place and you would like to tell your friend about this place. But the problem is you don't really remember the address or remember how to get there. You only remember what the place looked like. So you are going to describe the place like this. So you would say, well, there was a traffic light, and after the traffic light there were several houses. I am not sure how many houses exactly. I think it was either 2 or 3 of this house. And after the houses there were, I think it was a post office. So it's either a post office, maybe it was not a post office, maybe it was a bank. So either a bank or a post office, one of them. I mean, not both, just one of them. And after that there was a Starbucks, and after that I think there was a McDonald's. No, it was a Burger King. I'm not sure, either McDonald's or Burger King, so one of them. And after that there was one restaurant, not this one, I mean the next one. So the second restaurant is the one we are looking for, not the first, the second. So yeah, this one in the brackets. And then there were several houses I didn't really count, like, I mean, at least one. And then there was another traffic light. So any street that fits this description, maybe this is the one we are looking for. And then later you actually went to the restaurant, and there was a sign outside, and there was a phone number written for delivery. So your friend would say, you know what, I think actually this place is Italian. You know why? Because this phone number is actually Italian. How does he know that the phone number is Italian? Like, does he really know every single phone number in Italy? No. Well, we know the description of what an Italian phone number would look like. Usually it would start with a plus, and then there's this 39, which is the country code, and then another 3, and then we have got 7 digits. So in regular expression we would describe a digit as /d. This notation means it's a digit. It's like something from 0 until 9. And then we would have to say that there are 7 of them, so we would just have this curly brackets and say it's 7. And of course, in the beginning, this plus sign has a special meaning, so we would need to put an escape character, and this would mean that this is an actual plus sign and not another something with another meaning that means there is one or more of the previous thing we mentioned. Of course, we could also describe it in a different way. So we could say 00039 and then 3 and then /d 7. So we have 7 digits and then the 393 and 000 instead of the plus sign. So we could just simply say it's 000 or the plus with the escape character, and then 393 and then the 7 digits. So let's try some regular expressions on Regex 101, and here we will put our expression. So for an Italian phone number, you can say it could start with a plus and then 393 and then we have 7 digits. So this would count as a phone number, an Italian phone number, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. But this one will not, because it has 6 digits after the 3. This one will not because it does not have the plus. This one will not because it has a different country code, and so on. We can also support having it written this way. So we will modify the expression to include the 3 zeros as a prefix. So I would say 1, 2, 3, or this, and then this would make a match as well. So it's either 3 zeros or this sign right here, the plus sign. We can also visualize it. So here I'm using, so I will be using this website, Regexper or regexper.com, and I have put the expression right here, and then we can see that it's visualized this way. So it's like it's going one way, and then it has two paths. Any of them is okay. So one path is the plus sign, and another path is 0, 0, 0, and then this part is mandatory. So we always have the country code and the other three, and then we have the 7 digits. So we go like 1 digit and then 6 other times, which means we have 7 digits. So this is, it's like we are going this way, like we went once and then we had this loop for 6 times. So it means we have 7 digits, one like the beginning, and then after we go into this loop, it's 6 times, and then the end. So let's check it out in C++. How do we use regular expressions? So here I'm having just a simple program. I included regex, and I have a list of numbers, basically like some strings, a list of them, and then I am checking them one by one. So I'm going to say regex match, and this is our regular expression. Usually we have to put it inside a row string, because we don't want to put escape characters for our escape characters. Like if you want it to be a regular string, you just have to keep adding like one more escape character to the escape characters. So this is really going to be annoying. So I'm going to make it a row string. A row string in C++ has this format. So you'd say R, and then the quotation, and then one bracket. So this is the start and this is the end, and then the string is all in between. Here I am checking them one by one. So this is, each number will be in this variable, and then this would return true if it's valid, if it's matching this expression, and if it's not, then we'd say it's invalid. So let's run this program, and we can see that, yeah, this is valid, this is also valid because it has this prefix, and then the 39, and then 3, and then we have 7 digits. This one has less, this one has more, and so on. So here we can see that this is how we match strings with regular expressions. So in Python you would also do something similar. So you would import the regular expression library, and here I'm just having the sample inputs as well, and I'm looping all over the sample inputs, and then this is our regular expression. Also in Python you would need to put this R at the beginning, so you would know it's a row string, so you don't need to add extra escape characters. And you'd say regular expression dot match, and then you would put the input, and then if it's true then it's valid, if it's false then it's invalid and not matching. So that was the basic idea of regular expressions. See you next time with more videos about more complex regular expressions and how to use it better.